Alright, we're back. It's almost done. Okay, I got one more tube to hook up here. Big long one. So this has our O-ring over here. Our O-ring in there so we get to the other ones. Make sure it stays in there where it belongs. Okay. Should be 3 more screws left. There's 2. What do you want? Number 3. 3 screws. 2 bolts over here. A lot cleaner now in here on my arm. I'm not getting all full of goop in here and oil and grease. 30 years of crud build up. Okay. So this goes up here. I'm even though it's not supposed to have anything on this, I'm gonna put a little goop on here. It was seeping a little bit, so. We're gonna put some magic sealer up on this thing. Not sure where the sealer's gonna go, so I'm gonna put some over here too. Over there on the airline. Right there. I'm not putting much on there, just enough to eliminate seepage. Doesn't have any burrs or stuff in there, it's just, you just don't want to leak. Okay, so we're going to hook the pipe up right there in the corner there, and then we're going to hook it up on the machine over here. The pipe over there. Now, this is a pressure check valve, dump valve, keep from reversing back. And I don't know if there's any kind of a real dump valve in the cylinder. I think it just leaks internally, but that's what everybody complains about. I'm tearing my air compressor up by not doing correctly. So, oh well. Make sure your O-ring is still in there. It is. Let's see, you got to figure out this is going to fit in here because I don't remember. Let's see, to go underneath. Goes inside of here maybe. Yeah, it's looking better. Yep. So it wraps around this one, goes around this one, goes up here, goes up like that. And still doesn't fit, so that is not working. Try this way again. Things aren't working correctly. It doesn't match. Looks like something's different. And the difference is it doesn't fit. That's the difference. Something's bent. Acts like it got dropped. It's a big dent right here too, but I didn't drop it. It ain't fitting though. What's it going to take to make it fit? It has to go up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of this valve right here. And here, take this off so I can bolt this up onto the head. Oh, it's already loose. Figures it doesn't want to come out. Alright, well, it don't want to come out, leave the damn thing in there. I feel like there's another rubber in there or something. Something I don't have to replace it with. So I got to wrap it around this hose somehow, and I'm not sure if it goes around it or not. You know, this goes over here. No matter what, this was over here. That goes up over there for sure. I'm guessing there's a difference in the heads or something. If all else fails, make an adjustment. It wouldn't fit. Make an adjustment. There. At least now I can put the thing on here. Alright, see, now I got it up on there. Now I can make some more adjustments as needed. It's obviously going to need some more adjusting over here to get it where it needs to go. I don't think it's going to wrap around this and clear anything, so I'm not going to attempt to even do that. Alright, I'm going to tighten this down. I don't know why it's different what it was. It should have been the same identical thing. It's not even close. I can understand it being a little bit different at the head, but it's not even close to fitting. So something is way off. Oh well, life in the big city. Figure it out. That should reach up there all right. Rotation helped. Just gotta bend it back a little bit. Okay. It's gonna take some physical amount of bending to do what we need to do up there. I think I'm going to block this camera shot pretty heavily. Oh well. Alright, so this needs to go into here somehow. Oh, this is thick tubing too. It is tough stuff. Alright. So if I stick a piece of wood here, I can leverage it without the foot just sticking up. I can pull out on it. So use various pieces of wood, whatever it takes, in here to do what we want. Okay, that helped a lot. The angle's still way off. Two serves are going together like this. Not even close, not flat, square. They're supposed to be square like this. It's cocked this way and this way. Compounded screw-ups. So what can we do to bring it in correctly? This rotates. That helped a lot. Took a lot of it out of it. It's supposed to be bent in right here. So if I put a big board right here and bend it in, that should give me some angle I can use. It's a good thing we got a box full of wood right down here to steal from. This is what we need. Wood. Bit. I needed a little bit too much. Needs to be bent more right here. How the hell are you going to do that? That's this one right here. Factory tools. Lead hammers come in handy for a lot of stuff. Do you even see what I did? No, maybe. Maybe not. Oh, that helped quite a bit actually. Okay, I don't need to bend it. This crease right here I need to take out, so I need to but not put another one in it. That's what the wood was for. That piece is too thick. Perfect, small piece. Oh, that moves easy. Oh, look at that. It's made for it now. I need to straighten this curve out a little bit. More than that. I need more curve in here. Don't get too close to there, so that hurts this. One thing affects something else, affects something else. Typical. Rotation helps the best. Alright, I think we're pretty close. Doing a lot of bending with not a lot of pressure. So it sits right here. So I have to force it up to here, which I don't like forcing stuff. So when you force it, you gotta lift this whole thing up. So we're bending it right here in the clamp. So what I need to do is once I get it up there, I need to pull back on this to take the tension off of it. Bolt that right there and yank on it hard and through here. That should give me what I want for getting the load off of it. When you bend something fully mounted, it still stress relieve a little bit on you, so it won't be too bad. It pulls it so it all kind of lines together. Right now you've got three different things fighting something else. So you pull on it, kind of self-centers everything. Somewhat. We'll see in a minute. Or you're just going to pull the tube right out of the fitting over here. That can happen too. Yeah. I told you I'm tying all the bolts up until they're all started. Exactly what I did. Yeah, it looks a lot better when you get them all in there first. So now I'm going to put something in between here. It doesn't really fit. Yeah, it doesn't fit at all. Use a bunch of cardboard. Oh, can't even see what I'm doing. So I'm jabbing something here to protect this here. I don't want pressure jamming in between this right now. Cardboard's not really the best for that, but stuff enough layers in there. Here, protect it. Okay, now I'm just going to pull down right here about an angle like this, and that should straighten this angle out and get the bow off this because this needs to go up a little bit. There we go. That moved. That definitely moved. Okay, you pull that off. We got clearance under here now. So it's tight, but we got clearance under here. So that's what matters. Now I'm going to take those three bolts out and see if the tube stays there like it's supposed to. But first I'm going to go ahead and bolt this up here. See, now this is pointing more at the correct angle toward here. And see how that lines up right up in there like it's supposed to also. So by bending this here, it equalized all those other things that were fighting each other. Okay, that give me a big wrench. It's too tight. Camera's too tight. Won't move. All right. Loose. All right. pliers to work here. Okay, you're really tight. All right. Whew. Okay, where did 9/16 fall off to? Right here. Get a wrench in here. That's pretty tight. Pretty good. Should be adequate for the job. That's my tampon there. It leaks out of the drain plug. We'll be changing the oil on this thing pretty soon too. I got Tribodine, I think 2050. Can't even see what I'm doing over there. I think I got 2050 car oil in there. They make air compressor oil now. I got some oil in there and try it out. Okay, so tools out of the way, put it back up there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take off of the clamp up there. Extensions in my pocket probably. Yep, there it is. So now I'm going to take that pipe off up there, and if everything's correct, it should be sitting right up there where it belongs without any binding on it. At least that's what we want. Pretty good so far. Alright, so we're that close. Still got a little bit of pressure coming up on it. So, a little pressure right down here in the pipe. Bend it a little bit. We're pretty close now. We're right about 3/8 of an inch away from it. You pull it right in, it pulls right in. So it has a little bit of load on it, but not too bad. It's about the best we're going to be able to get out of that without doing really a lot of compound bending. I don't really have tools for doing that here, so overall it's not too bad. It's better than it was. Clamp gets in the way of the socket, which is always interesting. Okay. Right. Okay, should be everything. Ah. All right. It's broken. All right. More wood in my way. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. So when I bent that, I shoved it right into here, see? That is not going to work. Oh, it's right up against this too over here. Damn it. See, I concentrate on that. I didn't concentrate on what I was doing down here. So it's not going to take long before that's going to be a big problem. That is not going to work very well. I'm going to have to fine tune that a little bit. All right, let's see how good this thing works. Bleeding off. Getting hot already. Coming up air pressure pretty quick too. That's 80-gallon tank. Building definitely pumping up more pressure than I used to. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and work on that plumbing a little bit. I have to do some serious bending here to get it off that surface. I need to bend it inward and this way here to get off to this. Alright, yeah, a little hot right now too. Alright. I need at least an 1/8 of an inch clearance, preferably 1/4 inch would be best, but any more I got. Alright, that's it for that for now.